Polestar's own scalable sports car architecture allows us to engineer stunning vehicles like the Precept and its sibling, the O₂ Roadster. With minimal modifications to the bonded unibody, the platform can be adapted for different applications without compromising weight or stiffness, providing a truly responsive drive. We identified the material aluminium as a great contributor towards a more circular use of raw materials. This is due to its excellent recycling properties. The aluminium panels are labeled in different grades so that they can be separated at the end of the vehicle's life. This way, we can ensure the purity of different aluminium qualities, which can then be recycled and used in the next product, again in the optimal context. This is an important contribution in our path to reach circularity, a key to true zero carbon emissions in the future.